أزفت الآزفة أزفت الآزفة. The imminent is imminent. أزفت الآزفة. What is to come is imminent. So, اذكر ذلك اليوم. Remember that day. Remember. And you, my sister, اذكري ذلك اليوم. Remember that day. And to all of us, let's all remember that day. What day? يوم لا تملك نفس لنفس شيئا. Remember that day. To the believer, remember that day. Whoever you are, remember a day is coming. يوم لا تملك نفس لنفس شيئا. The day when no soul will be able to do anything for another soul. Remember. يوم لا تملك نفس لنفس شيئا. Remember. The day when no soul will be able to do anything to another soul. والأمر يومئذ لله. And all the command on that day belongs to Allah. Remember, that day is coming and it is imminent. Remember that day. What day? يوم تبلى السرائر. Remember. يوم تبلى السرائر. The day when all secrets will be made public. Remember that day. To you, the sister, they gave you something and you are putting in your husband's food. يوم تبلى السرائر. Remember that day is coming. And to you, the brother who is hurting his wife, thinking that no one knows. يوم تبلى السرائر. Remember that day is coming. It's imminent. It's very close to the believer who knows the reality. يوم تبلى السرائر. To you, the one who is sitting in his couch, on his couch, in his room, doesn't want to work. You don't want to work, but you want to earn money, thinking you are smart, stealing people's money, the scammers. Remember, يوم تبلى السرائر. To the scammer who is at home, he don't want to work. He is sitting down. He wants to make money. He don't want to sweat like everybody, thinking he is smart, he is intelligent, he is stealing people's belongings, people's wealth, people's money. يوم تبلى السرائر. Remember. Remember the day when all secret will be made public. Everybody will know. Remember that day. Be mindful of that day. It is coming. And all that you do in secret will be out. Whatever is making you doing that, thinking that you got it, فَمَا لَهُ مِنْ قُوَّةٍ وَلَا نَاصِرٍ. On that day, no power, no helper. You are on your own. On that day, those things that you are doing secret, that you think no one sees, he knows the secret and what is even more hidden. فَإِنَّهُ يَعْلَمُ السِّرَّ وَأَخْفَى. Allah. He knows the secret and he knows what's even more hidden. So remember that day, brother. Remember. Remember that day. What day? يوم يفر المرء من أخيه. Your lovely brother who loves you so much, remember that day, a day that he will flee from you, flee away from you, run away from you. Remember that day. Mommy, you love mommy so much. A day is coming, you will run away from mommy. Remember that day. Wa ummi wa abi. You love daddy. Remember a day is coming when you see daddy, you will run away from him. Wa sahibatihi wa bani. Your wonderful and beautiful and dear wife will run away from you, and you will run away from them. Your child, your children will run away from you on that day. So remember that day. Why are they running? لِكُلِّ امْرِئٍ مِّنْهُمْ يَوْمَئِذٍ شَأْنٌ يُغْنِيهِ. Everybody has his own problem on that day. Preoccupied. So remember that day in whatever you do, because by remembering that day, you will lower your gaze, the young man. By remembering that day, you will watch your step. By remembering that day, you will act righteously. By remembering that day, you will do the right thing. Because you know it is coming. Do you know what day I'm talking about? يوم نطوي السماء كطي السجل للكتاب كما بدأنا أول خلق نعيده. Allah is talking to you and I. He said the day when we shall roll up the heaven as pages of books. The way they fold pages of books. يوم نطوي السماء كطي السجل للكتاب كما بدأنا أول خلق نعيده. As we begun the first, we will bring it back again. Remember that day. Yes, brother. It is coming, but to the believer, remember, because it will come. And like I said, if you have that day on your mind, always thinking about it, you will do the right thing, because you know on that day, وَكِفُوهُمْ إِنَّهُمْ مَسْئُولُونَ, and detain them, they will be questioned. Ya Allah, Allahumma sallim ya Rabb. Allahumma sallim ya Rabb. Brother, just imagine you standing before the majestic, being questioned. Receive a call now, a'udhu billah, from whatever, maybe detective or something, saying that they want to question you. How will you feel? Talking about Allah, to stand before Allah, to answer the first and the last. Be mindful of that day. Allah gave it many names. Al-Haqqah, the calamity. Allah named it as At-Tammatul Kubra. At-Tammatul Kubra, the grand disaster. Allah named that day the grand disaster. So be mindful of that day. Allah named that day As-Sakha, the blasts. Be mindful of that day. Due to that, all these names and understanding what that day is, Allah is advising the whole creation. Ya ayyuhan nasu ittaqu rabbakum. Oh humanity, all humankind, ittaqu rabbakum. Be mindful of your Lord. Fear Allah. Inna زلزلة الساعة شيء عظيم. The earthquake of the hour is a terrible one. It's a mighty one. So Allah said, be mindful of that day. What day is that? يوم ترونها تذهل كل مرضعة عما أرضعت تذهل كل مرضعة عما أرضعت وتضع كل ذات حمل حملها وترى الناس سكارى وما هم بسكارى ولكن عذاب الله شديد. Be mindful of that day. The day that you will see the nursing mother will forget her baby, will throw her baby away. And you will see all the pregnant women will deliver on that day. They will deliver their burden. And you will see people drunk, yet they are not drunk, but the punishment of Allah is severe. Be mindful of that day. Be mindful of that day. It is not a joke. To those they tell you, you took somebody's money. He said, give it to me. He said, we will meet over there. Do you know what you're talking about? Do you know what day is that? You're hurting someone. He said, Allah is watching over there and you are okay with it. You don't know what day I'm talking about, maybe. If you do, you will hurry up and ask for his forgiveness. And for those scammers, those who are stealing people's money, if you know what day I'm talking about, you will stop scamming people. And for that woman who is putting stuff in her husband's food, if you know what I'm talking about, you will stop. And for you, the brother who is hurting his wife because she's not complaining, because she's not talking, because she's not saying anything, you think you're getting away with it, remember that day. Let's all remember that day. It is coming. It will come. So brother, like I said earlier, if you remember that day, keep remembering that day, you will lower your gaze, you will do the right thing, because it is a beautiful day for those who obey. Allahumma ja'alna minhum ya Allah. It is a beautiful day. It is the day of happiness for those who obey. إن الذين سبقت لهم منا الحسنى. Those who were promised good reward by us, أولئك عنها مبعدون. اللهم اجعلنا منهم يا الله. اللهم اجعلنا منهم يا الله. اللهم اجعلنا منهم يا رب. Brothers and sisters, those who do good, listen. أولئك عنها مبعدون. The blast, the disaster, the calamity, the distress. For those who do good, Allah said they will be far, far, far away from hellfire. They don't even know it is happening. أولئك عنها مبعدون لا يسمعون حسيسها. الله يا رب. لا يسمعون حسيسها. They will not hear the slightest sound of it. They don't know it is happening. You know why? Because of what they did in this world. They will never know it is happening. لا يسمعون حسيسها وهم فيما اشتهت أنفسهم خالدون. They will remain forever with what their soul desire. Whatever they want of good, they will remain with that thing forever in heaven. Listen. لا يحزنهم الفزع الأكبر. Allahumma ja'alna minhum ya Rabb. Please say Ameen. لا يحزنهم الفزع الأكبر. Allah said, you see that blast, that tremendous blast, that calamity, that grand disaster, that blast, Allah said, it will cause them no worry. They are good because they were good. I repeat, they are good on that day because they were good on the earth. So, brother, be among those who do good because of that day. Not only that, listen. لا يحزنهم الفزع الأكبر وتتلقاه الملائكة وَتَتَلَقَّاهُمُ الْمَلَائِكَةُ. And brothers and sisters, the angels will meet them. The angels will meet them, and you know what the angels will tell them? هَذَا يَوْمُكُمُ الَّذِي كُنْتُمْ تُوعَدُونَ. Come, this is your day. While others are crying, while others are crying, screaming in trouble, the angels will call the good ones. هذا يومكم الذي كنتم توعدون. This is your day. Today is your day that you were promised in the world that if you do good, you will earn this, that if you obey Allah, you will earn this, that if you obey Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam, you will earn this. This is the promise. This is the day. Today is your day. Rejoice. هذا يومكم الذي كنتم توعدون. اللهم اجعلنا منهم يا رب. الحمد لله وكفى وسلام على عباده الذين اصطفى. All thanks are due to Allah. My dear brothers and sisters in faith, remember that day. It is a great day. Remember that day. It is a big day, and it is coming. But for those who do good, as we said earlier, they will be fine. So brother, try to be among the friends of Allah. I repeat, try to be among the friends of Allah. Who are they? Because on that day, they have no fear, no grief. While others are in trouble, they are okay. May Allah put us among them. ألا إن أولياء الله لا خوف عليهم ولا هم يحزنون الذين آمنوا وكانوا يتقون. Those, the friends of Allah, they have no fear, no greed. Who are they? الذين آمنوا, those who believe. وَكَانُوا يَتَّقُونَ, and they were mindful of Allah. So brother, remember that day. Be mindful of Allah, because it is coming, it will come, and you will stand before the majestic, and you will answer the question.